You already have the data. The problem is getting to it takes forever. Every pipeline review, every leadership request, every can you pull this number real quick? You're doing it by hand, digging through filters, building reports, chasing reps to update their deals. And your HubSpot has all of it right there. You just can't get to it fast enough. So while you're buried in the CRM doing work that should take you seconds, deals are going quiet, leads are going cold, and problems that could have been caught on Monday are turning into a cleanup job by Friday. That's what the HubSpot AI Fundamentals Pack solved. 10 prompts. You paste them into Claude or ChatGPT with HubSpot connected, and you get the analysis you normally spend an hour building in under 1 minute. Pipeline health, deal risks, data gaps, weekly priorities, all of it pulled directly from your live HubSpot data. And if you want to go deeper on a specific area, there are role-specific packs for RevOps, operations, marketing, sales, and customer success. $12 each or $45 for the whole bunch. These prompts came from 7+ years in working inside of over 120 HubSpot accounts. They're what our team runs on day one of a new client portal. And now you can run them yourself. The Fundamentals Pack is $47, one-time download, no subscription. The next time someone asks you to pull a number, you'll have it in under 60 seconds. Click below.